Oh, so hey guys, what's up? How are you? And I'm going to make a vlog in the gym. So, but the interesting thing is that here I'm going to vlogging in English, and I have taken resolution in 2026 and to learn English or learn English by the various way. So this is the one of the way which I have chosen. So this video will be the whole about my gym exercise, and I will show you how I am doing exercise. I am doing exercise. Okay. So yeah, I'm a beginner in English also, and I'm learning. I'm in learning phase. So I need your support. If you like my channel and subscribe my channel, then it will be very helpful for me, and it will give motivation for my whole year. And guys, this gym is today very empty. Means there is no one. I'm only one today morning, and not because I come earlier, because I come late. I came late. That's why there is no one, and I only left alone here. Let's begin the exercise. So guys, right now I have completed this exercise which is for back. So guys, I think this is the best exercise which I like to do not every day, on every week. Sometimes I do 2 times. So now guys, I am going to do this exercise, which is this was the vertical pulling. Okay, I will do this exercise with this grip. So it is the horizontal pull back. Okay. Guys, I have completed, I think, 12 to 13 rep in a proper manner, and yeah, it feels good. So guys, I have make the weight of 35 kg. Okay, so I can do only this much because I'm not a very muscular guy. I'm a beginner kind of. Okay. Actually, I have been doing exercise since 1 year, but not in a proper way. You can also say that I take a few months to learn how to do exercise. Yeah, still I'm doing something mistake, which you can comment in the comment box. So guys, right now I'm going to do the back pull exercise, which is मतलब कि मैं जा रहा हूँ ये पुल करने ऊपर, ठीक है, रॉड पकड़ के, and I do only very little rep in this exercise because I had a ear surgery. That's why I do only in a comfort zone. Not sometime I break comfort by 2 or 3 reps, not more than this, because it directly stretch the stomach and back also, along with shoulder. So let's see how many reps I can take. It was only the 8 rep. So guys, I have completed the 3 exercise of back, and now I am going to do a 3 exercise for shoulder. I usually do 2 exercise one in one day. Okay. Suppose because I thought that doing multiple times exercise in a week will give a better benefit, And yeah, I have also seen a video on YouTube also, that someone was saying that doing one exercise once a week is better than mm, doing 2 times. Okay. The first shoulder exercise will be shoulder press, like this. Okay. I really don't know the name of the exercise, but I know how to do it. Okay. So this is the 75 kg of each dumbbell, and let's see how many reps I can take out. So guys, I have taken 13 rep in this also. So guys, our second exercise for shoulder is barbell row. This, okay, barbell से हम ऐसे पुल अप करेंगे, फिर मतलब नीचे आएंगे, ठीक है. Let's see how I'm doing. But you can also see that this is very long rod. Their length is very high, but it doesn't matter for me. So guys, मतलब मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है कि लंबा रॉड है मतलब उससे नहीं है. The matter things what really matters, your muscles get stress on it, okay, so that your body will be grow. I know because I have heard from any video. So guys, only one exercise has left for shoulder, which will be for front shoulder. Okay, because there are 3 muscles here, and the third one is back. So I have done approximately for the middle, मतलब मिडिल वाले के लिए मैंने कर लिया, फ्रंट वाला का बाकी है. बैक वाला आई थिंक कभी कभार मैं करता हूँ, वो तो some it also happened during the when you have do the back exercise. Okay, so now the dumbbell which I will be use will be is this. Okay, so yeah, this is 4 kg, but I will increase it slowly with each set. ओके, या each set मतलब हर सेट के साथ मैं बढ़ाता जाऊंगा. 3 सेट लगाना है, तो दूसरे में इसमें 4, दूसरे वाले में इन द सेकेंड वन I will use the 6 kg. After that the exercise will be end.